Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we are gonna do unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. I did buy the 32 gigs, the gold platinum. So I'm just, as you can see here, so I'm gonna unbox it. See Samsung logo here on the box. See some features of the phone, and here we go. I'm gonna unbox the phone. So that's the phone. That's how it looks. This is the phone. So let's see what they have here. So I did just unbox it before. So here we get the charger, and we get the same tray, as well as you get the USB cable in here, and you get, this is the fast charging, and you get some headphones. It's changed from the S6, S5 actually, and you get these things actually. So let's turn on the phone. So, and that's the phone. So the phones, it looks actually pretty cool. Have a nice camera. Actually, this is the best camera you can see, and have a quick launch of the camera. It's a good phone, I mean, and it works well. Have 3 gigs of RAM.